Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make adjustments on your picture on the Filto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the plus icon down below and select a picture from your gallery that you would like to edit. After that, you should tap on the adjust button down below, which is the third option. Here you have a bunch of categories and features such as exposure that you can set by the help of the slide down below, as well as the contrast, the saturation, then the grain can be set to clarity, then your skin tone, the highlight, the shadows, the tile shift and the intensity, white balance, the temperature and tint, then the vignette, and lastly the fade. After that, you should click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you can save it to your gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.